Hello folks, I'm back at the Queen Studio Experience. This time I brought Jacqueline, so here she is. You looking forward to it, Anna?
Oh,
Aye, you looking forward to it?
I'm ready to be in a
Aye, she's never been in a casino before. Yeah, yeah, it's a nice weekend. I've done a wee video of this before. What is that? See a quick look at the casino there. No, I love this one. Look. They've got a Flash Gordon pinball machine. They've got some kind of photos here. And then I've got like the t-shirts and a lot of different merchandise. Guitar pick. Oh, I need a guitar pick. I never noticed that the last time. T-shirt and a guitar pick, I think that's what I'll be getting. Right, you coming through it? The Lions, well, that's just, I don't know why Lions, I really don't understand that one. But that's like the magic show kind of era, like the outfit he wore. And that's really like the 70s. See like the Miracle video with the wee boy? I'm sure he dresses up with both of them. Not quite that one, it's slightly different, but it's black and white thing there. Aye. You like that video, didn't you? The Miracle, it's quite funny, isn't it? Aye. There's a wee place we can put a donation. I put a wee donation in earlier, but I'll put another one in later when we finish. You can buy these. We'll buy a couple when we go by. Freddie's curry, chicken dransack. Don't know about mint, I don't know about that one, but I'll try it. Champions Bar, we need to go there, right? We'll go there for lunch. It's just a wee programme. It's just telling you about the place and all the different albums. So we'll get that on the way out. This just tells you like the kind of history of Queen with it. It's a wee plaque to thread it. I love this quote, "Let's face it, darlings, we're the most preposterous bands that ever lived." Exactly. I don't know if this is going to be a good fit for the wheelchair, but we'll try it. Just say no food or drink allowed. Right, I'm going to need help Jacqueline. What's that? No, go on. There we go. Turn left, turn. This is all Heinz vans I've left. No, I've not done one yet, but I will do one. I'll probably do it tomorrow, because we'll come back again tomorrow. Aye, because there's no way I'm not coming back again. There's a lot of creative stuff in there. What's up? What? I'm not sure. I think it's something somebody's done. Oh, it's bright and dark. So, some things are really creative. I could do a whole video of just doing these things. Oh, it reminds me, there's a Queen wall. We need to do that after. The Creek Queen wall. I forgot there's a Queen wall, which we need to go and find. But we will find it. But we're back in the studio. Well, I'm back in the studio. Jacqueline's first time. Ah, right. It's doing there, I think. Right, we'll see. Anyway, right, have a look at it. I'm not sure if these are replicas. I think the prawn outfit, this will be a replica. I'd imagine it probably was replicas. This sort of Freddie solo stuff. Are you impressed, innit? I don't think it's the actual outfits, I think it's just replicas. What's that? What? That? Aye, that's some of the. I think some of it's legit things. I noticed this earlier, Freddie's microphone stand. I was in Lucca recently and they had an exhibition of Queen stuff, and it had a microphone stand, but it was different from that. So I don't know if that's authentic, because it is different from the other one. Okay. Now, I mentioned this in my other video, the Scrabble. I won't dwell on that. I'll just mention that's the Live Aid drum kit that Roger Taylor used. That was the Live Aid, huh? Aye. The Scrabble. They loved playing Scrabble, seeing the tours. I think Freddie was the champion of it. I think he was the best one. That's it. It's my favourite album. Again, it's the same day I did my last video. I still got my t-shirt, my favourite t-shirt. On their website, they were selling teapot sets with innuendo artwork. I'm not a tea drinker, neither's Jasmine, but I'd have maybe bought it if it was maybe a wee bit cheaper at the time, you know. See, what's this one? I wonder what that is. Oh, I would love to have that wee book in the middle. I think that's an authentic kind of Queen t-shirt. The one I've got, it's a fake one. You can't find it anywhere. So if you're watching, like he's a Mr. Trick, get his t-shirt then. I've bought it a few times. What's that? What's supposed to be on? I noticed the headphones are missing on them. You can listen to this one. It's like the Hot Space album. It's very underrated. Love some of the songs on that. Brian and Roger hate it, but nah, I like it. That's the jazz album. It's the first one that was recorded here by Queen. Look, they've got lovely taste in artwork. Like you see, they've got cyclists for their artwork. Just they're naked, but they're cyclists. Right, let's go. That's the kind of cinema. But there's people that never come back to the cinema. No, there's people there as well. Well, we'll go see us. That's the recording studio.
Don't worry, I'll be back soon and finish it off. And sadly, he never did make it back. It turned into a lovely track, I think. You know, it fulfilled its potential. Finished off with Loving Care for the Made in Heaven album. Today, if you like, you can have a go at mixing it and see how you can make it sound. using the faders in front of
It's a wee bit crowded, isn't it? But we'll get in. But just now, I'll just switch this video off just now.
Be very, very careful with the drum fader because
Sorry folks, it's a bit busy just now, so I'm not getting anybody's face. So if you want to see a full video of everything, check out my other video on the channel. We're just going to wait and we'll take Jacqueline, show them, we're going to get a couple of photos. So thanks for watching, and please check out my other videos, and please like, subscribe and share. Thank you very much. Say bye, Jacqueline.
Bye.
Bye bye.